Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to set up vehicle graphics. So this is going to be cut graphics rather than a full wrap. What we're going to start with is we're going to go to Sign Elements and we're going to find the vehicle we're looking for. So in this case, we know we're looking for a Ford Transit. Then you're going to scroll down, you're going to find the one that matches the body style that has all of the features of the vehicle we're doing. Once you find one that matches, then you can just right click on it and copy it from here. I've already pasted this one in here. Once you paste it in, what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the scale on it. So we can see that this vehicle has 147.6 inch wheelbase. So I'm going to do 147.6. I'm going to divide that by 4 because we're going to design this at quarter scale. And so now we've got that in here. I'm going to make that pink just so I can see it. And then you're going to move your template around until this fits those brackets on that scaling. Once it's matched, then we're going to create an artboard for it. So I'm just going to do that here and put it in there. Then you want to cover any of the measurements that are showing just so that those aren't distracting to the customer. So I'm going to cover that, cover this one, and cover that. Then you're going to take all of this, you're going to do Control-2 just to lock it so it's in the background and it's behind any of your graphics. And I've actually got it on a separate layer here in my template so that my designs are on their own. Then you're going to go through and you're going to design the vehicle per the customer's request on the order. If they've got an existing vehicle that we're matching, this is what the design for this one looks like. So once your vehicle graphics are all in place, then you're going to proof it to the customer. What you're going to do is you're going to click over here on Artboards, and you're just going to rename this file with the information you want. So this first number is your scale, or your quant copies. So this is how many you'll print. Since this is our proof, we're going to put 0 so that there's no chance of this accidentally getting printed. We are designing it at quarter scale, so it's going to be 400% on the magnification. This number right here is the rotation, which won't apply to anything in this order. Then you've got your order number, and then your customer name follows that last one. So once this is in here, you can hit F1 and you can export with your PDF and your JPEG 100. You're going to get rid of the suffix. You're going to change your width to 2400 pixels. Then you're going to find that order number. If there's existing order, you'll go into CB orders. You'll find that you'll go into work files. If there's not, then you'll go into CB orders. You'll copy and paste this folder and then rename it with your order number. In this case, there's an existing file, so I'm going to click on work files, select folder, export artboard, and then you can take that into Corebridge and proof it how you normally would.